Very good morning, dear students. My name is Kumar Gaurav. I welcome you all today. Today I am going to teach you about the integrity second of from direct to indirect. I have already taught you about the statement forms, affirmative and negative. And after that, we have already discussed about integrity first. It was starting with helping verb. And now we are going to discuss about the rules of integrative second that will be started from interrogative second that will be started from question word. Okay na? So question word we have to discuss about when the sentence will be started with the help of question word, how we have to connect to one clause to another clause. Okay, and then we have to change into from direct and indirect. So today we are going to discuss about it, and after that we will have some questions we will discuss about also that, and then you have to also connect all. Okay, so interrogative second we are talking about reported speech. Reported speech, in reported speech we have already done statements, you know, and intro first means interrogative first, that was yes no type. Now we have interrogative second, question type means question word. Okay, after that we will discuss about imperative. Okay, so in this way we will discuss about all the things of narration means reported speech, and today we are going to discuss about interrogative second. As you know, the rules of interrogative first we have already discussed. Now the rules how we have to change. Firstly, we know very well about that set to will be converted into asked. Okay, and then we have to try to know about the connectors. A connector, it will be question word. It will be question word. Okay, now we are going to talk about question word that will be after that we have a sentence interrogative sentence will be changed into assertive sentence, and after that interrogative mark will be removed. Okay, so this is the rules. This is rule of set to, asked, connector, question word, and interrogative sentence will be changed into assertive, and question word question mark will be removed while making from direct to indirect. Now we have some example. With the help of this rule we have to do that, and after that we will discuss about in the conversation form, and as well as we can say that feelers form. Okay, so look at this, some example of that. She said to me, what do you want to take from here? Look at this sentence of reported speech, and we have to see here reporting clause, and mainly we have to focus on reporting verb. Now we will convert into she asked me. As I told you about the interrogative word, that is what, and we have to make it connector to remove comma inverted comma. You know, here we have to use what, and then you is a second person, and we have to convert from me, that will be I. Okay, and then we have to see that this sentence is the sentence of present indefinite tense, is the sentence of present indefinite tense. Okay, and we have the reporting verb in past. Now we can change into past indefinite tense. You know very well about that. So we will take this want, it will be wanted to take from, here will be changed into there, and question mark will be removed. So she asked me what I wanted to take from there. Okay, she said to me, what do you want to take from here? And she asked me what I wanted to take from here. This sentence, this statement, this question word is in actual word. Now we have reported into hours. Okay, so it is called from direct to indirect. Okay, note down it. I hope you are understanding the rules as well as the sentences. Now we have more example of this we can make. The teacher asked me why have you stolen your friend's copy. Okay, you can say that the copy of your friend. So we have to convert into indirect sentence. How we have to change? We have the rules. The teacher, sorry, we have to write here said to. Now we can convert into asked. Me, Y will be connector, and you we have to change from me, that will be I, and then have will be had, stolen the copy of your will be changed from me, that will be here my friend. Okay, we have another example of that, that is interrogative second. The teacher said to me, why have you stolen the copy of your friend? And the teacher asked me why I had stolen the copy of my friend. Okay, so the examples are based on the rules. If we know that, we can get it easily. And now I hope you can do it all. Now we have some conversation. Okay, we will do that, and after that we will discuss about all the things Suppose we have the some conversation. Maria what are you thinking Harry? Harry, I am thinking to go from here. Go from here. Maria. Are you crazy? Harry. Yes, I am crazy. Okay, we have some short conversation. We have one short conversation we have to do. Maria to Harry and Harry to Maria. We have to convert into in our words. Okay, can you do it? With your pen copy, you have to be do it. Do it. I hope you can do. Okay, now look at this. Maria asked. Maria asked, what Harry, what he was thinking. Okay, Harry replied, Maria, that he was thinking to go from there. Maria asked again, if he was crazy. Harry replied in affirmative, that he was crazy. Okay, in this way we have to do in the examination when we find out this kind of questions. It may be in the fillers form, it may be in the conversation form, but you have to do it. You have to try to know the rules of and structure of the from direct to indirect. Okay, I hope you are understanding what I'm trying to say you, and you will do all the sentences if you find it. Okay, can you do it? Note down. I hope you have done it. Have you completed? Now we have some more example related to different kind of tenses. we can make, and you have to do. I'm giving you homework. Harry said to you, how have you managed your family? You have. Next, doctor said to me